Welcome to the 25th Kruti of Jayacharajendra Wadir. Jayacharajendra Wadir, this is the centenary year. He has composed 94 Krutis, 94 compositions in 94 ragas in Sanskrit. Now, in this session, as a workshop, I wanted to present a special Kruti out of 94. Why I am telling you the special? All are special, of course, but this is very special because this, in the raga Chakravaka, he has propitiated Madurai Meenakshi Amma. Madurai Meenakshi Amma, it is. She is there. Her sojourn is here, Madurai Meenakshi. This is a raga, it's a Chakravaka raga. I have searched thoroughly in Google. Nobody so far, to my knowledge, once again, reiterate, to my knowledge, even this morning also I have searched for that. Has anybody uploaded Jayacharajendra Wadir's this Chakravaka raga Kruti? But to my little computer knowledge, there was no such Kruti, that is in the Chakravaka Kruti of Jayacharajendra Wadir. Then I felt, by the blessings of Jayacharajendra Wadir, by the blessings of my Aradhya Devi Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, and by the blessings of Madurai Meenakshi Amma and Chamundeshwari, our Mysore Adidevate, I try my level best in my most humble manner, the Kruti in my own way, because I feel by presenting this, people who are not deprived of this Kruti for want of some technical reasons, let them have how the Kruti comes out. Again, I request you, please pardon me if there is any mistake. I am not a professional. Only as a student, I am trying this Kruti for all of you. It's up to you, and you will get the only with lot of devotion I am playing, and definitely that devotion Madurai Meenakshi will bless all of us. In the raga Chakravaka, this is the 16th Medakarta Chakravaka. According to Venkatabhakya school, that is, which Muthuswami Dikshitara has followed, this is raga name, there is Toya Vegavahini. Toya Vegavahini. But here it is, in the raga, Jayacharajendra Wadir has composed this Kruti on Devi Meenakshi in the raga Chakravaka. Another is important thing here is the equivalent to this Chakravaka is in the Hindustani, it's called as Ahir Bhairav. That's for your kind information, additional information. Now, let me first recite the Kruti in a prose form with little explanation. The Pallavi Kritis, Pallavi Sahitya starts Devi Sri Meenakshi. Straight away, she put at the feet of Devi Sri Meenakshi. Mam Pahi, whom else? Mam Pahi means as a king, every entire universe population. Devi Sri Meenakshi, Mam Pahi. Then in the second line itself, he says, Devadi Vinute, all the celestial gods, including Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Parvati, they all will be at the feet of Devi, Adi Parashakti, Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, or Prakriti Mate. That's what he meant. Devadi Vinute, Tava, Pada Bhaktim Dehi. That's all he asked, not anything. It's not anything. Tava Pada Bhaktim Dehi. Devi, Sri Meenakshi, Mam Pahi, Devadi Vinute, Tava Pada Bhaktim Dehi. In the Anupallavi, he says, Shive means including Shiva. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavitam. Nache Devam, Devaha, Nakalu Kushalaha, Spanditupi, Ataspa Aradya, Hari Hara Virinchadi Virapi, Pranantum Stotumva, Katamata Punya Prabhavati. Acharyas, Adi Shankaracharya's Saundarya, first sloka, he ever never forgets. He ever remembers. That is when using Shiva, immediately he uses Shiva, Shri Vidya. His stamp comes. See how naturally it just flows. Gange, Jamuna, Chaiva, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmade, Sindhu Kaveri, Jales, and all the rivers flow together and joins the Sagar or Samudra. Like that, his compositions are like that. Shiva, Shri Vidya. Immediately, Sundarakaye, Meenakshi's Vigraha is Shive, Shri Vidya, Sundarakaye, Bhavi Bhuta Prapancha Srishtikarya Swadeha Nilaye Mahamaye. This is the Sahitya. Bhavi Bhuta Prapancha Srishtikarya Swadeha Nilaye Mahamaye. He remembers Lalita Sahasranama, Srishtikartri, Brahma Rupa, Gopatri, Govinda Rupani, Samharini, Rudra Rupa, Tirodhanakarishwari, Sadashivanugrahada, Panchakritya Parayane. That is what he meant. Bhavi Bhuta Prapancha Srishtikarya Swadeha Nilaye Mahamaye. This is the Anupallavi Sahitya. Next, Charana Sahitya starts. Trikona Madhyagata. I have already covered with the 9 Kritis of Jayachamrajendra exclusively in my own creation for Sri Chakra for 9 divisions. But here one more set can be done because all the 64 Devi Kritis we can use for any Sri Chakra form. Here clearly he says in the Charana Trikona Madhyagata. Trikona Madhyagata. Pancha Brahmatmike. See, very clearly where she is seated. Pancha Brahmatmike. Turyatita Parama Pada Shobhita Vaibhave. Her glory, he explains. He has visited Madurai many times. Chamarajendra has visited from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. All the 108 Shakti Pitas. Not once or twice, many times, whenever he feels. He visits and knows Tadaparana and all such things. That has come to his rescue while just composing these beautiful gems like that. Trikona Madhyagata, Pancha Brahmatmike, Pancha Brahmasana Sthite, Lalita Sahasrana, Pancha Brahmatmike, Turyatita Paramapada Shobhita Vaibhave, Shakra Shachi Sampujite Shaila Sudri. Shakra means Indra. Indra Devi, Shachi Devi, Indra's answer. Shakra Shachi Sampujite Shaila Sudri. Here, Chakravaka Dhvani Poshite Dayanvite uses Raga stamp beautifully. raga, Chakravaka Dhvani. It's a bird, Chakravaka bird, beautifully it sings. You can consider it as a cuckoo, Kogila. Chakravaka, her Dhvani, Mudre Meenakshi Dhvani is Nijasallama Madhurya Vinirvachita Kacham. Chakravaka Dhvani Poshite, Dayanvite. The embodiment of compassion. Dayanvite. Shukradi Graha Nakshatra Mala Shobhite. He says Shukradi, all the 27 nakshatras, stars, that is her jewel. She wears that, that is her necklace. Madhuri Meenakshi's necklace is Shukradi Graha Nakshatra Mala Shobhite Jagrata Avasthatite. Jagrat Swapna Sushupti Turiya. The four status he remembers it. Jagrata Javasthatite. There it ends the Sahitya. So, before singing that Kriti, I wanted to, because Jayachamara Ravindra is very well versed in the Saundarya Lahari, Shivananda Lahari also. So, I have called out Shankaracharya's, Acharya's 39th sloka, where he says about, particularly on Swadhisthana chakra. So if the Swadhisthana, for a yogi, all the chakras, Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Adya, Sahasrara, it should be in very perfect order for a yogi. So for Swadhisthana, immediately after Muladhara, the Swadhisthana is second importance. He says that in this particular verse, the 39th sloka. So this is also, I sing this in Chakravaka itself. Janani Mahati Tancha Sabaya Yadaloke Lokam Dahati Mahati Kruda Karite Dayadam Yatrati Shishira Upacharam Rajayati. श्री मीनाक्षी मां पाहि। देवी श्री मीनाक्षी मां पाहि। देवी श्री मीनाक्षी मां पाहि। देवादि विनुते तब पाद भक्तिं देहि देहि देवी देहि। देवी श्री मीनाक्षी मां पाहि। देवादि विनुते तब पाद भक्तिं देहि। तब पाद भक्तिं देहि। नुते तव पाद भक्तिं देहि देवी मीनाक्षी श्री मीनाक्षी मीनाक्षी त्रिकोण मध्यगत त्रिकोण मध्यगत पंचब्रह्मात्मिके आत्मिके त्रिकोण मध्यगत पंच ब्रह्मात्मिके परमपद शोभिते तुर्यातीत परमपद शोभिते वैभवे 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 तुर्यातीत परमपद शोभित वैभवे त्रिकोण मध्यगत पंचब्रह्मात्मिके तुर्यातीत परमपद शोभिते वैभवे 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 pahi mam pahi. With this, the 25th session, 25th Kriti of Jayachamrajendra Odayar. This is a special, as already I have mentioned, with lot of devotion only. I have, without humbleness, at the feet of Devi Meenakshi, my Aradhya Devi Lalita Mahatripura Sundari. I cannot do anything about that. Just, it has come as a matter of fact, with only devotion. Thank you very much for having viewed this video. Bless me wherever you are. You are all just like all the well-wishers of mine are just like Meenakshi, because Aham Brahmasmi Advaita Tattva. I can see God in everybody. That is the main thrust of this. Jayachamrajendra Odayar has also did that for having brought up and born in this my society, where Jayachamrajendra Odayar lived, where Adidevata Chamundeshwari is our presiding deity, and where my Aradhya Devi is Lalita Mahatripura Sundari. For all this, my pranams to you all. Thank you.